What's up, guys? What's up? So today let's keep solving our Leetcode 806. And before I start, please subscribe to my channel and click the subscribe button and click like button and also leave a comment below. Okay. So you are given a string s of lowercase English and ray width denoting how many pixel wide each lowercase. So basically, yeah, I mean it's a little bit difficult, right? But what I tell you is that for A to Z, right? For ABC, for A to Z, right? You will have oh shit, someone give you S. Okay. So basically, for A to Z, that for each alphabet you will have a weight, right? You have a weight. So for example, A is 10, B is 10, C is 10, or all is 10, right? And you can now you need to write something, right? You need to write something. And each line is no longer 100 pixels. So if you so there's a rules, right? So the rule is that starting at the beginning, write as many letters the first line, such as the total width does not exceed 100. And if you exceed 100, that you need to stop it and continue, right? So if all of it's 10, right, then the first you need to write 26, right? So total you have so the first line you can just write up to 10. So 100 and now the 100 and the final you have left 6 pixels, right? So total has 3 lines and the last line is 6 pixels. So when you return two numbers, the first is number of lines, the second is the how many pixels you have. Okay, how many pixels left in the final line. Okay, and this is also okay. And okay, so if now you need to write S, right? And somebody give you already 26 characters. So the first line you can only write 98, I think, because some of them is 4, right? And the final, so you need to left with A, which is 4 pixel wide. So the answer will be 2 lines, 2 new lines, and the total 4 pixel left. Okay, right. So what I intended to do is that maybe this let me copy the writing and display. Okay, so by the way, this is just A to Z, right? So I guess you guys can know. Okay, so let's first create a W, right? So W is a weight matrix, the weight dictionary. Basically, if somebody gives you A, right, you need to tell it how much it costs. Okay, so the dictionary for one range 26, right, and 6 we have 26 alphabet. So with W as I, we call it with I. So basically, this is a weight. Basically, someone will give you a string, sorry, a character, then you can return the weights. Okay. Okay, so number, let's say so no matter what, right, you at least have 1 line. So you start from number line and the answer is 0. So this answer is basically count how many you already write. Okay, so for I in S, right, S is the string you need to write, and then you start to add weights. But there's a case that if you exceed 100, right, if you try to add some words, which you already is in 100, and what to do, right? You need to change your line, right? So you change your line. Okay, so to change your line, right? Change your line means that the number of lines should add 1, right? And the answer need to be go to omega I. This means that you cannot write this, and this omega I will be here. This is original weights, and you keep writing. Okay, so finally, the final answer will be just number of lines and the answer, right? Because after you write something, the final will be this answer. And the number of line will be here. Okay, so very simple. Okay, so that's it. So we just submit. Okay, we solve it. I will see you guys in the next videos.